Hi, I'm Ricky Young with your UTTV Watchdog Minute. Next time you're driving over the Georgia Street Bridge over University Avenue in Hillcrest, think twice. It's one of 9 city bridges deemed deficient in a federal database in 2010, bridges that have not yet been fixed. Same goes for the West Mission Bay Drive Bridge between Ocean Beach and Mission Beach. The federal list found 25 bridges in our county had components in poor, serious, or even critical condition. Other jurisdictions like Del Mar, Carlsbad, Oceanside, the county, and Caltrans have made good progress fixing their bridges on that list. But San Diego? Not so much. The city has had only one bridge removed from the list, and that was by having an engineer visit the site and reconsider. Officials say bridges have to compete with sidewalks, streets, and other backlogged infrastructure needs in San Diego, and they're trying to be more proactive in their requests for state and federal funding.